Hello students. Last presentation we had discussed on steam condenser, function of steam condenser, classification of steam condenser and different types of jet condenser. Today we will discuss on surface condenser. Surface condenser. In this type, the cooling water and exhaust steam do not actually mix or no direct contact, but the cooling water passes through the number of tubes and exhaust steam passes over the outer surface of tube. This condenser has advantage that the condensate is not through to waste but is returned to boiler as there is no impurities in condensate. Surface condenser divided into two categories. One, shell and tube type, and second, the evaporative surface condenser. Shell and tube type. A surface condenser shown in figure consists of a cast iron shell, cylindrical in shapes and closed at each end to form a water box. A tube plate is located between each cover head and the shell. The number of water tubes are fixed to the tube plates. The exhaust steam from the engine steam or turbine enter at the top of the condenser and is condensate by transferring the heat due to conduction and convection by coming in contact with the cold surface of tubes through which cooling water is circulated. The cooling water enters at one end of the tube situated in the lower half of the condenser and after flowing to the other end return in opposite direction through the tube situated in upper half of the condenser. The air condenser, the air condensate and uncondensable gas are removed from the bottom of the condenser. Downflow surface condenser. Figure shows the sectional view of downflow surface condenser. The exhaust stream enter at the top and flow downwards over the tubes through which the cooling water is flowing. The exhaust stream is condensate and the condensate is extracted from the bottom by the condensate extraction pump. The cooling water enter at one end of the tube situated in the lower half of the condenser and after flowing to the other end return in the opposite direction through the tube situated in the upper half of the condenser. The temperature of condensate decreases as the exhaust stream passes downward and hence partial pressure decreases from top to bottom of the condenser. The air exits in shield from downstream of the condensate by means of buffet plate. Central flow surface condenser. In this, the section pipe of the air extraction pump is placed in the center of the tube nest. This causes the condensate to flow radially towards the center as shown in figure. The condensate leaves at bottom where the condensate extraction pump is situated. The air is withdrawn from the center of the nest of tube. Evaporative condenser. This type of condenser is used when cooling water supply is extremely limited and even without cooling water in cold weather and on light load. Exhaust steam from steam engine or turbine is passed through a coil of grill pipe or series of tubes, the outlet of which is connected to the wet air pump as shown in figure. The cooling water is pumped from collecting tank and it spread over a grill pipe. This forms thin film over a grill pipe. A natural or forced air current causes rapid evaporation of the film of water, and this evaporation causes a rapid evaporation of film of water, and this evaporation causes cooling of steam and form condensate that remove from the bottom of the coil, and water which is not evaporated falls into an open collecting tank. Thank you.